In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the header using Elementor. So, whether you're creating a landing page or a special section of your website where you want to start from scratch, without any distractions, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's open the specific page you want to edit in Elementor. If you're not already familiar, Elementor is a powerful WordPress plugin that allows you to build and customize your website's pages with a simple drag-and-drop interface. Once you're in your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the page you want to modify and click Edit with Elementor. This action will launch the Elementor editor, which makes customizing your web pages both intuitive and visual. Once inside the Elementor editor, direct your attention to the area on the left where you can see a number of icons and options. What you want to do now is locate the small gear icon, which represents the page settings. It's typically found in the lower left corner of the Elementor interface. Give that gear icon a click, and you'll notice a panel opens up on the left, offering various settings that you can adjust. Now, let's look at the page layout. This setting is crucial for what we're trying to achieve. By default, your page layout might be set to default, or another configuration that includes elements like the header, footer, and sidebars. However, what we're aiming for is to strip all of these away to create a clean canvas. To do this, simply click on the drop-down menu under Page Layout and select Elementor Canvas. Changing the layout to Elementor Canvas is what ultimately hides the header, along with the footer and any sidebars that might be present. What this does is transform your page into a blank canvas, which is ideal for times when you want absolutely no distractions, just your unique content shining through. With the Elementor Canvas layout applied, the page is entirely in your control. Whether you want to build a full-screen landing page, a custom home page, or any other kind of standalone web page, starting with a completely blank slate can offer you tremendous creative freedom. Keep in mind, this step does not remove the header and footer from your entire website. It's isolated to just this particular page. This selective approach offers versatility, allowing you to choose which pages need this minimalist setup while keeping others consistent with the rest of your website's design. Lastly, don't forget to click the Update button to save your changes. This is your assurance that all the modifications you've made will be live on your site. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in assisting you to hide the header in Elementor. Now you have the skills to create pristine pages exactly how you envision them.